Welcome back, scale modelers, to SMKR. Today I'm looking at the 1/12 scale R2-D2, the hologram version. Welcome back. This is the Bandai Spirits 2019 release of the Star Wars R2-D2 hologram version. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a review of this kit the SMKR way. Let's open it up. Right away, you can see we have translucent plastic, clear plastic in blue, couple of bags full of parts, and we have the typical instructions that Bandai came out with for these kits. It is fold out style version, and they get into the tree, step-by-step instructions here laid out. First off, it starts out in color, then in black and white, and the instructions here are easily followed and read. No decal options whatsoever with this kit, and it's in English and in Japanese. Kit number 5058898. Let's look at the parts next. And here you go. Like I was saying, it is in a clear plastic, blue colored plastic. I did notice that this type of plastic is a little more fragile than the regular styrene, so you want to be careful with this. You could actually break the parts just by cutting them off the trees. So you want to have a really good set of sprue cutters, possibly even investing in a good set of God hand cutters that cut very accurately, and I do highly recommend these. If you can't afford these, you can get the other best bet, which would be the Tamiya brand, and I highly recommend these. Let's get a closer look, and you can see there exact copy, I would say, of the regular kit. A little bit of slide molding going on here on the sides to give you that detail there on the side of R2-D2, so that's very cool there. I thought about this kit when I bought the kit. I thought to myself, that would be really cool to throw some LEDs into to have a glowing effect with him. So that may be the option that I'll be doing with this. And these are snap together kits. No glue is required. Obviously, if you're going to use glue for this, whether it's the Tamiya extra thin or any other kind of liquid cement, you want to use it sparingly, and you want to use it so it will dry off without any vapors. The vapors could cause some fogging effects with the plastics. So you could always use PVA glue or white glue with that. Let's look at the next trees. Here's the next tree, and this time we receive more components of R2-D2. All his tools and the top part of the dome. It does appear that the dome can rotate with this kit if you wanted it to. Let's look a little closer. There you go. That's how that looks there. Some of the tools. Lots of details. Very nice. And here's the next one. More details of R2-D2. Some very fine parts here. Let's get a closer look at those finer parts. And you can see there some of the hoses that go onto the legs, parts of the dome, and looks good there. Like I was saying, all the parts are translucent. And lastly, the stand. Your basic stand, but this time it's all clear. It's not the black stand that we've seen with the other Bandai kits. There you go. That's a review of this kit. I'll be right back. And there you go. This was the review of the Star Wars R2-D2 by Bandai, which came out in 2019. 1/12 scale hologram version. And Bandai in the last few years has come out with many versions of our beloved R2-D2, and I highly recommend all of them. This is definitely one you'd want to have in your collection because you could have the options of lighting it up or displaying it with lights below it. That would be very cool too. So I want to thank you all who subscribe to my channel and who support my channel. With that, happy modeling everybody, and until the next Star Wars Bandai review, take care.